Welcome to the EComposer page editor. In the top left corner, here you can preview your current page changes, view your layout on the live site, access full documentation and tutorials, and send direct feedback. In the left-hand side menu, you'll find the essential features you will work with mostly. Want to start fast? Choose Templates. Select one from the quick menu or explore more options in the library. In the template library, you can sort by newest, most downloaded, or trending, filter by page type or industry, for example, fashion, electronics, food and drink, etc. Single-click on an element. You can choose one style in the chosen element preset to build faster. Then configure its content, design, and other advanced options on the right-hand side menu. The next option in the EComposer editor's left toolbar is the Navigator, which allows you to easily view and manage your page section. You can pin or float the Navigator and move it anywhere in the editor. Next up, the EComposer extension library, where you can easily discover sale boosting and CRO add-ons built by the EComposer team or integrated with other third-party Shopify apps. Select History to track and restore your page's editing histories with one click. Revision automatically autosaves stored locally every 5 minutes to help you recover unsaved work, while History logs all versions you hit save and publish manually, so you can restore any previous page layout anytime. One of the most interesting things I love about EComposer is that you can easily set up your whole site settings. Just flick it on Site Settings, then configure your general website layout, body, link, button, and its typography, and etc. The last option in the EComposer editor, left side toolbar, is the app settings, where you can add your brand font and color. Select the third-party app you will showcase your product review, product wish list, and product quick view, and provide business info for the AI builder to auto-generate page layouts that match your brand style. Head to the top navigation bar to set up general information, including browse the existing layouts you created before, or click to build new one. Switching to device to configure the page responsiveness. Undo and redo buttons. Editor config button. SEO Site Audit button, Preview, select Save your layout to the template library, Import and Export template. In the Editing Center, you can pick up Freeform Canvas Layout, perfect option to build a creative section structure, or some traditional table structure here. Or choose pre-made templates in the library if you wish. Additionally, EComposer provides you with a floating bar that helps you quickly switch between Edit and Hand tool, jump back to top, zoom out, and zoom in. One thing that makes EComposer stand out is this bar, its inline toolbar. In some elements like text, heading, you will see this bar. In this case, the inline toolbar lets you format text, add links, adjust spacing. The highlight feature, AI content generator, can instantly write content for you. Just describe your topic, tone, and word count. When you click on an element, you can see some of the quick edit menu, which can be tailored for each element. For example, you can see the quick edit menu of the heading element. Once you've completed your page, let's save it to the database. Choose Publish. Click Save if you save as draft, or Publish if you want to save and go live your template. In the page publishing pop-up, you can change the page name, slug, turn on the Use Google Rich snippet, and more. It's a wrap on this tutorial. Enjoy creating your sale-driven web pages now.